Hi folks, it's Moz here. If you've bought an Airfix model kit and you've had either a broken part or a missing part or damaged decals or missing instruction manual, I'm going to explain the process on how to get a free replacement. So if you watched my recent vintage classic unboxing, which had the fairy Rotodyne on my bench, you would have seen that two of the props were damaged, and it was, you know, it's just one of them. It was broken in the bag inside the box, and so I went through the process of getting the parts replaced free of charge from Airfix, and I'm going to go through it step by step. So firstly, what you need to do, get your iPhone or your Android phone, and it's time to take some pictures. So what you need to do is take pictures of the broken pieces that, you know, that's inside the kit. You will need these pictures to send an email to Airfix, where they will process a free replacement for your broken part. Whilst you're there, you will need to take a picture of the little label on the back of the box. All the boxes from Airfix come with a little square or little rectangular sticker on the back, and it's basically a number which they can reference on maybe who packed it and, you know, when it was done. So on this one here, which was the fairy Rotodyne, you can see it clearly here. It says MIC07 P0100 13829, and that's the product number there from Airfix, so it's A04002V, but they need a picture of that. Okay, so take a picture of that on the box as well. And if you can, if you bought it from a retailer, take a picture of that receipt or proof of purchase, so where you got the model kit from. If you are an Airfix buyer like me, I was able to copy and paste the order number for this kit, and I use that inside the email. So once you've got those 4 pieces of information, you can then go on and start writing your email. The email address you need to send this email to: technicalservices.uk@airfix.com. So again, technicalservices.uk@airfix.com. After you've taken all those pictures, you need to start writing out your email. And this is how I have done this on a couple of occasions where I've had to get replacement parts for broken bits or missing bits from my Airfix kit. So first off, in the title, I always start with the kit name. So for instance, fairy Rotodyne, and then I add the parts. So in this case, it was the props. And then I just wrote, "Hi there." And then I put in my order number. Underneath that, I then say, "Unfortunately, the props arrived damaged." If you're missing a part, you need to tell them what the part number is. And if it's a decal sheet, just say decal sheet. If it's instruction sheet, put the instruction sheet. Okay, that's all you need to do. Please see pictures for reference, including sticker on the box for your reference. So I'm telling them that there is a picture there of the sticker that was on the box to give them a clue on, you know, where this may have come from. And then I asked, "Can you please send me replacements for the 2 damaged props?" Then I put in my home address where they're to send it to. So I put Moz Models and then my address, and it's really simple, so that from that email everything is there. I add the pictures accordingly, so you can see the 2 damaged props, and then the picture of the sticker that's, you know, you'll find on the back of the Airfix box. Also, if you have not bought this from the Airfix website, just let them know that attaches a picture of the receipt. If you don't have the receipt, don't worry, just send it in. They are very, very helpful. You know, sometimes parts do get missing, or sometimes parts are broken. So, you know, depending on how old the kit is, you might be able to get replacement parts. I'm not saying they can do it for everything, because some kits are out of production. But, you know, more than likely that if they've got it in stock, they'll have a spare for it. And then within a few minutes, maybe an hour, you'll receive an acknowledgement that they have received your email. and it will say Dear Moz Models, well, for me it says Dear Moz Models, reference Fairy Rotodyne Props, thank you for your email, thank you for your email. They say it twice for some reason, but hey ho. Please be advised, we aim to respond to all customer emails for the technical team within 7 working days. If you have an urgent request, you can contact our customer service team on our technical line, and that gives you the telephone number. If you do need to call us, please do mention that you have already emailed us and provide the reference that is given on this auto response. So in this instance, it's the letters and numbers that come in the subtitle of the email, or the title of the email. I've got SGTA1845VMXD, and they're very similar like that. 4 letters, 4 numbers, and again 4 letters. So keep that in mind. If you do feel you need to call them up, use that reference so they can see what they've received from you in an email. And then hopefully a few days later, you'll receive an email telling you that further to the communication reference, we can confirm your spares order has been sent today. And it does say, should you require any further information, please do not hesitate to contact us at this email address. Then after a few days, you get the part sent, and they basically put it in this piece of foam, and you can see there we have 2 props replaced. There you go. That was the process that you can take to get free replacement parts if they're broken from Airfix, or if they're missing from the box. If they are missing from the box, I do suggest you take a picture of the sprue where the piece is missing, and just take some pictures of inside. The more information you can give them, the quicker that they probably resolve the situation. Okay, like I said, I've done this a few times, parts missing or parts have arrived broken, but on the desk now I've got a complete Rotodyne to build. Well, I'm not going to build it, I'm actually going to send it to a friend, Scaly Models actually, so go and check his channel out. He's going to take this off my hands and build it, because I just don't have the time to do it, which is unfortunate, but I've got to pick my horses wisely. Anyways, that's basically it from me. If you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, ring that bell, click all to be notified when I release a new video. If you've had a situation like this before, let me know in the comments how Airfix have dealt with it for you. Hopefully it's all been very positive, because like I said, I think the Airfix customer service team is very, very good. Huge shout out to my channel members who help me financially with this channel. If you like to become a channel member, click join below and select which tier you wish to join. If you'd like to see my unboxing of the Rotodyne, click here, and if you'd like to see a playlist of other videos that I've made, click here.